guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Most of you know I got 10 new chicks recently and they are growing up really big. They're about 4.5 weeks now and I would love nothing more than to introduce them to you. So if you do notice that I put up their names a lot when I show them on the screen, that's so that you guys can get used to what they look like and just get used to their names. You already know my other 4 chickens and you do know my 4 cats, so why not get to know the 10 new chickens? We're gonna go into the little room right now and we're going to visit with each one of them. You guys can get to know a couple of their mannerisms, their coloring, what they look like, and just little chirps, the noises they make. It's really cute, and get to see how I interact with them. We are about 4.5 weeks in and these chicks are getting really big. I have to take them out one by one now because if I take them out a couple at a time, they're all over the place. They're flying all over this room. They poop on the floor all the time and we don't want any of that because there's a lot to clean up. So I'm gonna take one out now. I'm gonna show you how big they're getting. Probably take out a couple, but one at a time. So I have to lift the corner of this. They try to jump out of this section here. So I will put my hand in there and one of them will jump, well, one or two of them will jump on my hand. You coming out with me? She just wants to do her own thing. That's Fiona. Come on. Yeah, it's kind of nuts. Come on. Come on. So this is Fiona. And they're like, again, they're getting really, really big. She wants to fly up on there all the time and I don't want her feet to get caught in the chicken wire. So I just spend time with them like this every day. I'll take a couple out per day and just say their names. This is Fiona. She's the light gray one. She's a prairie bluebell egger. Look at this baby girl. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she's okay. And I put a towel over me just in case they poop. They like to fly. She really wants to start flying. And you gonna jump up there? No! Look at that big girl. She's such a big girl. Is she gonna do the poops? She did the poops. So I've got towels everywhere to catch their poops when I do take them out to visit with them. And I try to catch as much of it as I can. I'll also leave like things like this nearby. She wants to jump. She's gonna jump. You could do it. Good girl. All right, we're gonna put her away and pull out another one. So I kind of just grab them like this while I lift this and I throw her back in there. She flies to the floor once she gets in there. Let's take out another one. This is Lydia. She is a Buff Orpington, and she's the littler one of my 2 Buff Orpingtons. Again, they're getting really big to the point where they are growing all these feathers and they're starting to fly. They have less room under the heat plate in there, so that's why we're going to be taking them outside soon in about 2 or 3 weeks. But there's not much room in this container, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. Look at that little Lydia. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's a baby girl. All right, let's take out one more. Oh, she's so cute. She just wants to sit in my hand. And she's kind of like spreading her wings. They're kind of, I think she's warm, so she's kind of like spreading her wings just to get some air. Look at that girl. Oh, she's a baby girl. Let's go back inside. Let's go back inside, sweet girl. Oh. Oh, she kissed at me. No, it was so cute. Good girls, no. This is Lauralee. Ooh, she's okay. She's a baby girl. They all just want to fly. You be careful on there. See, if you could see, there is chicken wire up there, and I don't want them to get their feet stuck inside the wire. So they're kind of hopping around it. She hops around it. Lauralee's one of the ones that are first. She wants to come out first almost every day. Come on. You just gonna jump on there? Come on. Come on. Where's she going? Where's she going? No. She want to go back inside. It starts to get crazy, so I start to put them back inside and then go do my thing. So I do this about 3 or 4 times a day with a couple of them at a time, and I can't wait to bring them outside because they're getting to be way too much inside this little room in this little box. Are you ready? No, she's got poops on her foot. This is Zoe. She's got this cute little face. She's got all these splotches on her face. Look at the little splotches on her face. Oh, she's a big girl. She's a big girl. She's gonna jump on there. Oh, she's a beautiful girl. She's gonna lay down. See these feathers at the back of their neck? All this little fluff. That means that their feathers are not fully grown in yet, and when they end up looking like more so like these feathers, then they'll be more fully grown. Okay, this is Josie. Man, she's a big girl. She's a big girl. Look at that baby girl. She just wants to sit down. She just wants to sit down. Look at that girl. Look at that baby girl. Some are more docile than the others. Some want to fly about. Some want to sit down. Some are louder. Is she want to fly up there? Is she want to fly up here? Look at that girl. Oh, she's a big girl. She's a big girl. Whoa, big girl. Pretty soon, instead of picking them up like this, I'll be holding them like I hold the others, like tucked in my arm. This is Gracie. She's also a silver lace Wyandotte. I took this down because she was actually really hot, so she was trying to breathe, and so I took her out. Her beak was open. I put the air on because it's 83 in this house, but since I closed the door, I put the air on. You a good girl? You nice and cool now? You getting some air from that vent? It's a Gracie girl. She's gonna fly again. She's gonna fly. And there she goes. She's a good girl. She's a big girl. Oh, and she did the poops. Landed right on the toilet paper, too. Good job. Nasty. Come on. She gonna come on here? Come on, Gracie. Come on, Gracie girl. Oh, big fluff. Is this Emmeline? Oh, she's a pretty girl. She has like little circles on her eyes, and her sister Phoenix has like a little mask on her eyes. So that's how I can tell them apart. They've got these fur on their feet. They're really cute. Oh, she's a baby girl. Oh, look, she's so big. This is Cosette. Oh, she's a baby girl. Yes, sweet girl. Hi, honey. Oh, she's okay. Is she just gonna chill there? She just gonna chill there. Oh, she's so cute. Look at Cosette. And this is Phoenix. And she's got a little mask right here. Look at that girl. You can see it on her other side too. Got like a little Zorro mask. She's huge. She's just like her sister Emmeline. These are Midnight Majesty Marins. They're going to be laying the most beautiful, they're like burnt sienna eggs. They're like really, really pretty. They're like brick red. They're just really pretty. Look at this baby. Oh, she loves it. She loves it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, she loves that. Oh, she loves that. Oh, she loves that. Oh, what's this baby girl? And this is my last little baby. This is Echo. She's a little dark gray girl. She might poop right now. Maybe not. She is a prairie bluebell egger, and she's going to be laying some light blue eggs. She still has some feathers to develop up here too. Look at that girl. See? Oh, she's so pretty. Look at that girl. Look at Echo. Is Echo a beautiful girl? She's so beautiful. Oh, she's okay. She's okay. She's okay. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's okay. She's okay. Oh, good girl. You ready to go back in? Let's go back in. I cannot believe how fast these chicks grow. Pretty soon, in about 2 weeks, I'm going to be taking them outside, and I'm no longer going to be able to spend that time with them inside this mobile home. I really liked bonding with them and getting to know them, letting them get used to my voice. It's going to be sad when I have to take them to the chicken coop outside, but bittersweet because then I'll be able to enjoy them out there. I'll be able to pick them up easier, and I'll just continue getting to know them and watching them grow outside. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. These little babies are growing up to be so big.